Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Sharan SEL. This model is a 2.0 TDI DSG 150 PS finished in a Hudson Bay Blue paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you would like to find out more information, please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So today I will be giving you a 360-degree walk around both the car's exterior and interior. Then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So firstly, take you around to the side profile of the vehicle. We have the 17-inch Jarama alloy wheels, which are an additional feature, finished in silver, making a nice contrast against the blue paint. These tie in nicely with the fitted roof rails and the window trims. We have your electric wing mirrors as an additional option, which will provide additional safety for your vehicle when parked on narrow streets. Another additional feature is your electric sliding doors. These are really handy when you arrive to the car in a rush with your hands full. Then we again have your Vienna leather as another additional feature, providing both comfort and style. We have the 2 additional seats in the back, which is handy if you're carrying a lot of family members. We've also got the pull-out plastic trays in the back to keep the kids occupied during longer trips. And as you can see, we have so much space available. Next, taking you around to the back of the vehicle, another great additional feature just include your rear parking camera, and then you also have your parking sensors as standard to support with parking and tight manoeuvres. And then with the back seats up, we still have enough room to cater for your daily needs such as your weekly shopping trips. But then when the seats folded down, you can see how much the capacity has increased. So we have so much room available, you could easily fit in multiple suitcases when you're off on your holidays. And then panning around to the side and taking you into the front. So we are firstly presented with your multi-function steering wheel. This is followed by your Vienna leather followed into the front. We do have adjustments available to help yourself and your front passenger find the most comfortable and safe position. And then moving up, we have your panoramic sunroof, which floods so much light and air into the interior, which is a perfect addition for the summer. So I'll just conclude the first part of the video. So in the second part, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping in the car, we have your electric mirror and window adjustments and your automatic lights. And then panning over, we have your multi-function steering wheel where we can access the car's functionalities without removing our hands. So we've got the cruise control, which is the perfect addition for motorway driving. So it can make that a bit more relaxing for you as it allows you to take your feet off the pedals, and then using the controls on the right, you can customise what you want to see in your instrument cluster. So we have your digital dash display in the centre where you can find your key driver information and settings. And then moving over to the centre, so here we have your multimedia interface where we can access your car's features. You've got your scroller, it's also touchscreen, and we have your shortcut buttons either side. So first you have your DAB radio to keep you entertained during them longer trips. We have your Bluetooth, whether this is for listening to your own music or making hands-free calls on the go. There's also an aux input available. Then we have your satellite navigation, which will help you when planning your trips, as well as providing you with the quick response available. When popping the car into reverse, this is how your parking camera will appear on the screen. Then you do also have the additional support from your front and rear parking sensors that will give off an audio warning. Moving down, your climate controls are available, allowing yourself and your front passenger to be in charge of your own temperature settings. We've also got your front heated seating to keep you and your front passenger nice and cosy in the current months. And then moving down, so we have your DSG transmission. We have an electronic park brake with auto hold. And we've also got some hidden cup holder storage. We've also got some additional storage space underneath your comfort armrest. So thank you for watching this video. This Volkswagen approved used Sharan SEL, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.